Imagine a telescope so powerful that it can see galaxies billions of light-years away, yet it has also revealed astonishing secrets hidden in our own solar system. The Hubble Space Telescope, a mission that started over 3 decades ago, has changed everything we know about space. From watching asteroids crumble in real time to detecting water plumes on Europa, Hubble has given us unprecedented insights into the cosmos. Today, we uncover the most incredible discoveries Hubble has made within our solar system, and some may even hint at alien life. For over 34 years, the Hubble Space Telescope has been one of humanity's most powerful tools for uncovering cosmic mysteries. While it was originally designed to observe distant galaxies, Hubble has also revealed extraordinary secrets within our own solar system. Many worlds remain unexplored by dedicated missions, but Hubble's sharp eye has given us glimpses of astonishing celestial events that would have otherwise gone unnoticed. Our cosmic journey begins close to home, with Earth's moon. Due to its large apparent size, Hubble cannot capture the entire lunar surface in one image. Missions like NASA's Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter provide more detailed pictures, allowing Hubble to focus on more distant targets. However, in 2012, Hubble played a unique role during Venus' transit across the Sun. Instead of looking at the Sun directly, astronomers used the Moon as a giant mirror, analyzing the subtle changes in sunlight passing through Venus' atmosphere. This experiment confirmed a method still used today to study the atmospheres of exoplanets, bringing us one step closer to identifying potentially habitable worlds. Moving outward, Hubble has frequently turned its gaze toward Mars. Unlike orbiters that capture high-resolution images of specific regions, Hubble provides a global view of the red planet, allowing scientists to track weather patterns, dust storms, and seasonal changes over time. One of Hubble's most remarkable observations was a time-lapse of a planet-wide dust storm completely engulfing Mars. It even captured Phobos and Deimos, Mars' 2 tiny moons, zipping around the planet. Phobos, the larger of the two, is especially intriguing. It completes an orbit around Mars in just 7.5 hours, making it the fastest orbiting moon in the solar system. Beyond Mars, we enter the chaotic asteroid belt, home to countless rocky bodies. In 2019, Hubble observed 6478 Gault, an asteroid behaving like a comet, developing twin tails. Scientists discovered that sunlight pressure was spinning the asteroid so fast that it was shedding material, a process known as the YORP effect. This incredible event is a rare glimpse into the destruction of an asteroid in real time. An even more extraordinary asteroid event unfolded in 2010, when Hubble imaged P/2010A2. At first, astronomers thought it was a comet, but closer examination revealed an X-shaped debris field, evidence of a violent collision between 2 asteroids. Such events occur once in millions of years, and Hubble had a front-row seat to witness the aftermath of a cosmic crash. But no planet dominates the solar system quite like Jupiter, often called the solar system's vacuum cleaner due to its immense gravity. In 1994, Hubble captured one of the most dramatic planetary impacts ever recorded, the collision of comet Shoemaker-Levy 9. This comet, torn apart by Jupiter's gravity, slammed into the planet in multiple fragments, triggering fireballs hotter than the Sun's surface and leaving scars bigger than Earth. It was the first time in history that humans witnessed a planetary collision in real time. Jupiter is also home to some of the most spectacular auroras in the solar system. Unlike Earth's auroras, which appear during solar storms, Jupiter's auroras are continuous and incredibly powerful, fueled by the planet's intense magnetic field and massive radiation belts. In 2016, during NASA's Juno mission, Hubble tracked Jupiter's auroras daily for months, helping scientists understand their mysterious energy source. Among Jupiter's many moons, Europa stands out as one of the most promising places to search for alien life. Beneath its icy shell, Europa harbors a subsurface ocean kept warm by tidal forces. In a stunning discovery, Hubble detected water vapor plumes erupting from Europa's surface, direct evidence that liquid water exists beneath the ice. The telescope also identified sodium chloride on Europa's surface, suggesting that its hidden ocean may have a composition similar to Earth's oceans, strengthening the possibility of life beneath the ice. Beyond Jupiter, Saturn remains a fascinating world. Since the end of the Cassini mission in 2017, Saturn has lacked a dedicated spacecraft. But Hubble continues to monitor its dynamic atmosphere, capturing massive storms that stretch thousands of kilometers across the planet. Further out, Uranus and Neptune remain largely unexplored, with only Voyager 2 having flown past them in the 1980s. Hubble has filled this gap, capturing seasonal changes on Uranus and even discovering Neptune's smallest known moon, Hippocamp, a celestial body that may have remained undetected without Hubble. These observations provide critical data for future missions, refining our understanding of the ice giants and their complex atmospheres. Reflecting on these groundbreaking discoveries, it is clear that Hubble has reshaped our understanding of the universe. Over 3 decades, it has not only delivered breathtaking images but has also challenged everything we thought we knew about the cosmos. While the James Webb Space Telescope is now the new frontier, Hubble's mission is far from over. With proper maintenance, it could continue operating until 2040, outlasting even some of its successors. Hubble's legacy reminds us of one simple truth: the universe still holds countless secrets, waiting to be uncovered. For over 3 decades, the Hubble Space Telescope has been our cosmic eye, capturing breathtaking images and unveiling secrets of the solar system. While the James Webb Space Telescope is now the new frontier, Hubble's mission isn't over yet. With proper maintenance, it could continue operating until 2040, outliving even some of its successors. The universe still holds countless secrets, waiting to be uncovered. And as long as we keep looking up, who knows what we'll discover next? If you enjoyed this journey through Hubble's greatest discoveries, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing space content. Let us know in the comments, which of Hubble's discoveries amazes you the most?